The JROX eCommerce Suite installation process is relatively easy. First, you need to unzip and upload the JROX installer files to your website's main folder. If you are installing it as the main home page, make sure the files are uploaded to the root folder, and not a subfolder. Once you are done uploading, launch the installer page on eCommerce Suite. This is done by going to the /install folder on your uploaded site. For example, www.yourdomain.com/install. On the first page of the installer, read through the license agreement, and if you agree, click on the checkbox to continue. Now, eCommerce Suite will check to make sure your hosting site has the right system requirements before moving forward. On the system configuration page, you will need to enter your domain, database, and admin account information. If you have uploaded the files to a subfolder, make sure to enter it with a / in the base folder path field. For the database information section, make sure you have set all the permissions for your database user to access the database as well. In the admin account section, enter your name, admin username and password, as well as your admin email address. If all of your information is correct, the installation process will begin. It can take a few minutes, so sit back and relax a bit. You can view the installer window if you want to. Once the installation is done, make sure to save the admin login information. If you have a minute, we would appreciate sharing eCommerce Suite with your friends. Just click on the social media icons. You can now log into your new eCommerce Suite admin page. Thanks so much, and we hope this video helps you out a bit.